Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I am just going to take you around our snowy homestead and show you what we like to do as a family just to enjoy each other and have a good time and have a restful weekend. I feel like this content needs to be shared more on the channel, and I just wanted to show you what we like to do together in a budget-friendly, family fun way. Thank you, Ida Homes, for sponsoring today's video. They sent over this beautiful patio set that is on major discount, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to put together and why I think you should grab a patio set now. They again are on major sale and you can furnish your outdoor space at a low cost. So let me get you turned around and show you what we're working with. All right, this is what we're working with. This is our little before. So these came with the house, even the stumps. I thought they were super fun. Asked them to leave them and they did. We have our fire pit, and then this was from IKEA from a long time ago. We just let the elements get to it, is what my husband said, which is very true. I guess we just, didn't take care of it as best as we could, but we can refinish them. We're not going to get rid of them or anything, but they just need to move. And then this area is kind of what we're revamping, so we can have some cookouts here. I got rid of the sunflowers and then I have to cut down the coneflowers. I see a course has already made its way out here pre-patio set. And then we have our safety inspector, right? She has a little jumpsuit on. Yeah, Millie. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this, show you what we're working with, and go from there. I think the idea is to put it right here and then maybe put a nice little outdoor rug here. We shall see. So this was relatively simple to put together. As you can see, I am in a tank top, and what you saw in the beginning of the video was snow, and that is how weather changes here in Colorado. So unfortunately, we were not able to put this into our space, but we cannot wait to do that in the spring. Right now, it's going to hang out in our garage. We're going to put some twinkle lights up and maybe even put a television out here with our new air space heater and go from there. It will be a nice little retreat. My husband and I don't have family here, and we have 3 children, so when it comes to date nights, it's often at home. So going to another space is a great way to save money, and you can utilize what you have. It does not have to be this fancy thing. Just the 2 of us out here on our little patio set will be just fine. I am so grateful to Ida for sponsoring today's video. I am grateful for them to be bringing you a discount, so make sure you check out the description box. Everything you need will be linked under there, and go ahead and check out their other products as well. They have so many. My husband is here putting this together while I hold the baby, but we change back and forth, and it was pretty simple for me to put together as well. They have these beautiful cushions that tie into the actual sitting of it. I have it upside down here so I can flip it around and show you it, but this will be great because Colorado gets super windy. I will say I get nervous about these types of patio sets because of the comfortability, and these cushions were firm and they didn't slide once I had them hooked in here, so that was nice. It comes with 2 little decorative accent pillows, and I am super excited because they match my outdoor rug perfectly, and I didn't even mean for that to happen. So I am happy that it has the function to move around, so it can be in whatever shape you want it to be, and it comes with a beautiful glass coffee table, so that will be nice to have little cookouts. I will show you here. We're gonna cook up some hot dogs and crescent rolls. That's our go-to, but fire pit meals are a good thing to have, and in the event that we need to be cooking outside, I probably won't have the fire next to this beautiful patio set, but I did want to show you some fire pit meals in today's video as well. So again, thank you to Yida, and definitely check out the description box. I have a discount code for you down there, and I encourage you to check out their website. There are a lot of sale items right now that I would love to stock up on for my home. Dolly. Hi. Millie's first snow. Hey. Hi, Beauty. Yeah. Pop too. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they're pop. Little hot dogs. Hot dog. Here, put this up. Uh-oh, a piece fell. That's okay. Does Daddy have a knife on him right now?
Mom, what's this?
Watch back up.
What's that? What's a fortifier?
I said a fire.
Oh no. It's the payday. Other topping melted. That's why I put it in there. Can you eat, Mom?
Not yet.
That's a right there.
Did it?
Do we get it? Here, look. Hold still. Do we get it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Where's the hole? Show me. There.
Went in right here. Right there? Came out right there.
Are you a little nervous when I do this? No, look. I did it. I got big,
Show me why.
big. What?
Show me. Oh boy.
Mommy, can we eat a hot dog now? That's cool. It's hot dogs now. We can sit down. We can go watch my friends in the Bible. I think like you.
As you can see, during the weekend here at our home, we are busy at home. When I first started my family, I wanted to enroll my kids in all of these activities and just get them involved. But I forgot that each season comes with so many transitions, and slowing down is really what is important. So during this season, we are slowing down and spending as much time together as possible. The world as we know it can be a little daunting at times, especially when we look to the media, but I assure you, if you spend time with one another and just have kindness and love in your heart, it will help you navigate through this season of life. If any of you are like me, I have found that being with family has been such an amazing blessing for myself and my mental health. We are going to end our little day at home here. Don't forget to check out Eat a Home in my description box to get your hands on one of these beautiful, relaxing patio sets. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Stay adventurous, stay creative. Bye, everyone.